The National Heroes Council now says it is in the process of developing a mechanism to recognize Kenyans who have made positive contributions to the country's development both locally and abroad. The National Heroes Council Chief Executive Officer Charles Wambia says the mechanism is contained in the Council's strategic plan, which clearly outlines how those to be honored will be recognized. Sunday in Kwale County, during Mashujaa Day celebrations, President William Ruto honored 142 heroes and heroines for their outstanding contributions to nation building in various fields.
I've been identified as a category of philanthropy, and this philanthropy is in education. My focus is education, helping Kenyans to achieve higher level of literacy, from literacy to basics to higher education.
The council is at a process of coming up with regulations. Those regulations will provide those other benefits we wish them to achieve, like having an identity card to be recognized on places and be given room as heroes.
We may not all speak the same language, but there's one language we all understand, and that's the language of service, that's the language of love. And so when you look throughout these national heroes, all of us have committed to some level of service, and I'm excited to receive this honor, but what it really does, it inspires me to serve even more, even greater.
Various stakeholders and activists